What a good boy. Oh goodness. Don't shy away, George. You gotta get used to getting touched all the time. Or just whenever, dude. Just whenever. Yes. Here, there's more food in there. You should eat that. Here. Here, Georgie. Here. Look at that. Wanna lick the bowl? There's a piece of something. That's coconut oil. Chunks of oil. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like that stuff. It's all gone, bub. What's that? Oh, don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. You silly thing. You look better today. You do. You look a lot better.